Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram blocked channels iOS 2020 or settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window. We will go down here to looking for Telegram app and this is window here to find the Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to this is window. We will click here on force stop and we will click here on OK. Then we click here on storage and we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on manage storage and we just click here in app. Then you click here on clear local and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.